Hi, I'm Dale Rheaume, and I'm the product manager for Ready Chains here at igus. Right now we're in our readycable factory where we build cable assemblies according to 24 different manufacturer standards, as well as many custom solutions for our customers. Let me show you how we process a cable assembly. Right here we're in front of our cable cutting line where we've got a Schleuninger Megastrip 9650. A very capable machine that will cut cable precisely to your length. It will remove outer jackets very precisely and will process cable up to 35 millimeters in diameter. After cable cutting, the next step in the process is to move the cables into our assembly line. Here we have a lean, continuous flow assembly line where we are preparing the shield of the cable, removing the insulation off of the inner conductors. We're crimping on semi-automatic crimping equipment, soldering, performing final assembly steps on connectors, finally going through finished electrical tests to ensure that this cable performs precisely as we promise. A very lean production format that allows us to respond very quickly and deliver cables within 24 hours. And every Ready cable comes with the ChainFlex 36-month guarantee. Some of the steps that we take during this process to ensure consistent quality is to make sure that crimping is perfect and in accordance with manufacturer standards. Conductor crimping has to be performed with prescribed manufacturer's tooling for these components. Our process requires that we do numerous steps to ensure consistent crimp quality. We use the prescribed tooling from the manufacturer. All of our operators are trained and certified to industry workmanship standard IPC A620. Our inspectors are trained to inspect for all the features to ensure a good crimp. We will also do a crimp height measurement and compare these results to the manufacturer's specification for that crimp contact. If the visual inspection passes, the crimp height passes, then we move on to a destructive pull test. We apply a steady force to the wire until the wire and crimp fail. Here we have 36 pounds of force. For this wire size, we would expect to see 20 pounds. That 20 pounds has been exceeded. We are confident that we have a good quality crimp and we can proceed with this job. All of our trained and skilled assemblers have access to information terminals here with work instructions that not only have written information but also very clear visual illustrations and photos to ensure that from lot to lot we have consistent product quality and workmanship. Once the cable assembly is finished, the next step in the process is electrical testing. Every cable that receives a connector in our factory will receive 100% electrical test. We are testing for continuity to ensure that the wiring is correct and also apply high voltage testing to ensure consistent quality. Every cable assembly receives a unique serial number. That serial number is traceable to that data for that specific cable. If a customer ever requests a data report for the electrical testing of that cable, they can send us the serial number and we can retrieve it and send it on its way. And the final step in the process for building a Ready cable is mechanical inspection. At mechanical inspection, we're checking the connectors, making sure that the connector is properly strain relieved on the cable to ensure that in service it's not going to fail. We're checking all of our quality records to ensure that the crimp heights and pull tests have been performed. We're checking labeling to ensure that it's all consistent with the customer specification and any other features of importance that are on the drawing. Once this cable receives the green mark of approval, it then ships directly to our customer or goes into our Ready chain assembly process. Here is one example of a Ready chain. We have Ready cables made in our readycable factory with the green mark of approval. They've been installed in energy chain cable carrier to complete a full ready chain system, a complete plug-and-play solution for our customers. For more information, check out our website, igus.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.